In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to Salesforce. Connecting these two platforms helps you tie ad clicks to real business outcomes, like leads and pipeline, so you can make smarter budgeting decisions. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Google Ads account and that you have permission to manage integrations. Also, be aware that menus can look slightly different depending on your interface version, but the flow is the same. Start from your Google Ads overview. This is your account's home base, where you can quickly confirm you're in the right account and see recent performance. Taking a second here to verify you're in the correct account is important, especially if you manage multiple clients or brands. From the overview, look to the left sidebar and click on Tools. In many layouts, this appears as a wrench icon or a clearly labeled Tools area. This is where Google Ads groups utilities for setup, measurements, and integrations. If you don't see it right away, hover over the navigation to expand it. Sometimes it collapses to save space. Inside Tools, open Data Manager. Think of Data Manager as the central hub for all your data connections. This is where you organize sources that send information into Google Ads, such as customer data, offline conversions, and CRM platforms. Entering through Data Manager ensures your connection is created in the right place and stays easy to find later. Within Data Manager, locate the Featured Products section and select Salesforce. You'll see several integration tiles here. Choosing Salesforce brings up the dedicated area that's built specifically for syncing CRM data with your Google Ads account. This pairing is designed to handle lead journeys, opportunity stages, and conversion outcomes so you can attribute value back to your campaigns with more confidence. Next, select your desired data source or connection. This choice tells Google Ads exactly what you want to bring in from Salesforce. For example, many teams connect lead and opportunity data to measure which keywords and ads drive qualified pipeline, or use offline conversion events to reflect sales outcomes that happen after a form fill. Pick the option that aligns with your reporting goals and the Salesforce objects your team maintains. Clear naming helps later when you review performance, so choose labels you and your stakeholders will recognize. That's the full navigation path. Start at your overview, open Tools on the left, go to Data Manager, choose Salesforce from Featured Products, and then select the data source or connection that fits your needs. If something doesn't appear as shown, double-check your permissions and interface layout. Once you've made your selections, you're set up to manage the connection details and keep your marketing and sales data working together.